CWS CEA Welding Supervisor is the system developed by CEA to enable the recording, monitoring and printing of welding data via a web browser connected to one or more Digitech series welding machines. Thanks to an Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, Digitech power sources can communicate directly with the company server and the system's web interface. Thanks to its web-based architecture, CWS is accessible via a web browser from any electronic device. System management is simple, intuitive, and centralized. Current, voltage, wire speed, and process parameters can be continuously monitored to immediately detect any deviations and improve production control. The system also allows you to set current and voltage limits. This feature ensures consistent weld quality, prevents errors, and protects both the process and the equipment. For each job, CWS can automatically generate quality reports in PDF format containing all welding parameters relevant for certifications and technical documentation. The data can also be exported to Excel for quick analysis, report generation, and seamless integration with corporate MES systems. The system also allows for the calculation of welding process costs. By analyzing energy consumption, processing times, and process parameters, it is possible to obtain an accurate assessment of actual production costs. CWS enables remote selection of welding jobs. This ensures operators always use the correct parameters without the need for manual intervention. The system also supports the use of barcode readers. Scanning the codes allows for an increase in the amount of recordable information and automatically loads the jobs onto the generator. Industry 4.0 ready, CWS can be integrated into the corporate network via standardized Modbus T, CP and OPC-UA protocols. This ensures secure, reliable data exchange that is fully integrable with advanced production systems and environments.
CEA, welding together.